Hey you everyone, what's up? I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. If you're new, welcome. And if you're a returning viewer, welcome back. So just the other day, like about 2 days ago, I think I've done a reaction to Manifest's track. Okay? And I think this track is called RM and Arman called Manifest. It's a feature. Alright, so I'll be now reacting to another track of this album or EP. Up to this very moment, no one has literally informed me if it's an album or an EP. But regardless, you guys will get a reaction. So I'll be reacting to Yaşanacaksa. Forgive me for the mispronunciation. And I think the meaning it's if it's going to happen. So Yaşanacaksa means if it's going to happen. So that's what I'll be reacting to today by Manifest. Alright? Without further ado, let's see what this song is about. So let's venture together. Guys, remember to leave a like. This is my second time reacting to another song of the album or this EP. All right, so let's all go together. I think this is gonna be a very good song. Trust me, because the first one was dope. I do love the first one, so let's continue.
Bu hikaye sona kötü bitecek.
Oh, so it's English. If this story was gonna end badly,
Niye koştun peşimden hep karşıma çıkıp geldin aklıma.
if this story was gonna end badly, then why chase after me? You kept showing up, throwing me off track. So, guys, if you're gonna take up a female or take up a partner, alright, be sure that you're prepared to love them. Be sure that you're prepared to spend your life with them. Do not ever waste their time because time is precious, bro. Right? So just keep on showing that person much affection as you can.
Tüm suç bende, sakın yine geri dönme. Aşktan fazla ayrılıklar birikti sayende. Yapma mutluymuş gibi.
Exactly, love is very important. Alright, and if you're having someone, be sure to not fake the love. Because, at some point in life where, you guys should be in an argument, it's going to show definitely. So do not fake the love. Just keep the love real and realistic as the day comes.
Hiç tutma ellerimi, inadımdan kaybettiğimi çok geç öğrendim. Kalbimde yara izi, korkma pişman değilim, öğrettin bana.
There's a scar on my heart. Don't be scared. Don't regret. Alright? You thought me that someone love affairs. Exactly. Exactly my point. Right? So love that person unconditionally.
Aşklar üzülmeden bitmezmiş. Yaşanacaksa yaşanacak. Ayrılıklar, mutsuzluklar. Ölüm yok ya bunun sonunda. Tüm acılar bir yere kadar. Yaşanacaksa yaşanacak. Ayrılıklar, mutsuzluklar. Ölüm yok ya bunun sonunda. Tüm acılar bir yere kadar.
Right, so very good song. Very good song. Very good music. And this is why I love Manifest so much, because their stories are very much beautiful. Right? You can read the story and someone out there who's facing the same thing that they are going through is feeling this song. And this song is rich in facts.
Haklısın boş ver, her zaman yaptığın gibi. Bana da boş ver, unut gitsin. Sevgiden korkmaya devam et.
Right, so people are scared of love. Alright, and if you are afraid not to let go of that person because you are scared of, the backlash, and if the person is not right for you, let the person go. Keep being afraid of love. That's definitely it. That's definitely it. Right? You have to make sure that whatever that person is giving you, you give back the same energy. Do not be afraid to let go of that person if the love isn't in the correct state.
Haklısın boş ver her zaman yaptığın gibi. Bana da boş ver unut gitsin. Sevgiden kaçmaya devam et.
Just forget about it. Alright? Just keep running from love. Just let me go. Just forget about it because you're joking. It doesn't make any sense, alright, that you are having me as a partner and you are keep running from love. Love is very important, bro. When you find love, nothing can ever get that away out. Alright, so let's continue.
Nasıl bakıyormuşum o haline. Şimdi özlüyorum eski günleri. Gözlerini ayırmadan bak.
Now I miss the old days. Look at me once without taking your eyes away. Yes, definitely, because when you're loving that person, alright, the connection between you and that person is always connecting. The eye contact, you know, with the body language, everything is just so connecting when love strikes. Right? So basically this song is such a darn song because I've been there, I've done it. So it's very relatable.
Bir kez söyle kaç kere kalp severmiş. Neyse geçer bunları da atlatırız. Yerime kimi koysan yine olamaz.
Whenever you put me in my place, it still couldn't be. Bro, just love that person as now, forever and beyond.
Ben gibi sana katlanan biri çıkmadı. Yapma mutluymuş gibi. Hiç tutma ellerimi.
Don't like your fake happy now. Don't hold my hands at all. Because some people are to pretend to be happy in love, right? So if you're pretending to be happy, do not, and I repeat, do not hold my hand because your happiness is fake. So why pretending to be happy and hold my hand? So it doesn't make any sense.
İnadından kaybettiğimi çok geç öğrendim. Kalbimde yara izi, korkma pişman değilim. Öğrettin bazı aşklar üzülmeden bitmezmiş.
Yeah, definitely. That person taught me that love affairs do not end it in heartbreak because what? When love is connecting, when love is real, no form of heartbreak or fears will hinder that love from progressing. That's basically what it should be.
Yaşanacaksa yaşanacak ayrılıklar, mutsuzluklar. Ölüm yok ya bunun sonunda. Tüm acılar bir yere kadar. Yaşanacaksa yaşanacak ayrılıklar, mutsuzluklar. Ölüm yok ya bunun sonunda. Tüm acılar bir yere kadar.
Guys, thank you so much for watching. And the last quote says, right? And pain goes so far. Bro, it's painful to know that you're trying so hard to love someone and at the end of the day you were just wasting your time. And it's very painful to put so much investment into one person and it doesn't mean a thing to that particular person because the same energy you are putting out there to that person isn't giving back the same energy. So the love affairs will come into place. The love affairs will be ended in an heartbreak. Okay, so guys, thank you so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed my reaction, remember to leave a like, subscribe. Stay tuned for more reaction to their album or an EP. So what next I should do a reaction on? Let me know in the comments and I'll see you guys there.